lads and lasses, I'm back for June with 3 top tips for this month. Tomatoes, make sure you pinch out them side shoots, and in the greenhouse make sure you don't water them straight onto the stem because it can actually cause a bit of rot there and you might get a bit of blight, so make sure you water away from the plants. Your cucumbers, also known as curcubit, now get them in the ground and give them a little bit of liquid feed with a bit of comfrey tea diluted once a week. Earth up them potatoes because they're gonna feed you right through year. And while you're down there earthing your potatoes, make sure that you give yourself a good compost mound at the back as well and turn the bloody thing over. Keep calm and dig for victory.